My name is Randy Wind Millsap. I am General Counsel to the Wisconsin Department of Military Affairs. I also serve as the attorney to the Wisconsin Division of Emergency Management. I have been in this position for almost 20 years. I serve as a resource to local municipalities with regard to disaster response and recovery. People think they know what's going to happen during a disaster, but I'll tell you when it's happening, the last thing you need to know what your plans are, what your disaster plans, but you still sometimes need an extra resource who's been through it, who can give you some fair, concise information about what to declare and what certain emergency powers might be out there for a municipality. In my position, I get a certain number of frequently asked questions. Some of the questions I get would be, who can declare a disaster? And how do I declare a disaster? I get questions on liability, but more specific liability questions such as volunteer liability. How do I use a volunteer after a disaster for recovery purposes? I also get a lot of questions on the Good Samaritan law in Wisconsin involving medical personnel and if they can or they cannot provide response protocols during a disaster. I also get calls on evacuations. When can I evacuate somebody? When can I not? When should I? When shouldn't I? Can I mandate an evacuation or is it voluntary? I serve as a resource to the municipalities of the state. In my full-time capacity, I give legal advice to the Wisconsin Department of Military Affairs and Wisconsin Emergency Management. So I am considered a legal resource to municipalities, so please don't take this as legal advice per se, because we really don't have an attorney-client relationship.